Hi, I'm Massey from HSP Vehicle Accessories, and I'm here today to show you guys the HSP Tail Lock. Now, the Tail Lock is a smart and straightforward solution designed to enhance your vehicle security. The HSP Tail Lock integrates seamlessly with your vehicle's factory remote, locking and unlocking a tub in sync with your existing remote by engaging and disengaging the handle. The system does not require any drilling, and it uses existing factory points, allowing anyone to install it in about 45 minutes. Plus, it's plug and play, so there is no need for an auto electrician. It also works with your passive entry system through the door handle and any internal lock and unlock buttons. Now, it's the preferred choice for genuine vehicle accessories. In fact, it's the only system I've ever seen tested to over 100,000 switching cycles without destruction. It's also got a heap of testing, for example, temperature testing, vibration testing, draw testing, and a heap more. Now, we all know how valuable belongings are within the tub. The HSP Tail Lock will avoid you from having to take your physical key and manually lock and unlock your tailgate if it doesn't already come with central locking. This also works with some vehicles that don't have a lock at all, which is a perfect add-on for enhanced security. So there you have it, the HSP Tail Lock. Simple and effective, designed with your convenience in mind. The HSP Tail Lock is the ultimate security upgrade for your vehicle, giving you peace of mind knowing that when your car is locked, so is your tub. As always, please visit www.hsputeleads.com. Follow us on any of our social media at HSP4x4. You can also get through with any of our distributors by finding them on our website.